So today we're going to talk about the compact photo movie kit from Manfrotto, and here it is. It's lightweight, it's very, very compact. Let's take a look at the tripod component of the whole kit first. We've got these 3 legs here, and they're multi-stage, and by just taking 4 fingers, we can flip those up and extend all stages of the tripod at once. Lock them down like so, release, and then we can bring those all back like so. We got a multi-stage. Completely collapse like this. We're at about 18 inches in total for the entire system. Open it up. If we fully extend all of the stages, we're at about 53 inches. And then we can take the center column and raise that and get to just over 60 inches in total height. Let's talk about this head, which is very, very unique. So you see over here on the handle, we have something called the friction wheel. The friction wheel has white arrows down here and red arrows up here. If we turn the friction wheel to the white arrows, we can move that head freely. If we turn it to the red arrows and lock it down, then we can't move the head at all. Somewhere in between just creates friction, so we can dial in some friction when using the head with our cameras. Now, let's talk about how we get cameras on here. There's a button here next to the friction wheel, and if we press that down, it releases this quick release plate, which slides off. I'm going to go ahead and move the tripod kit over here. Every quick release plate comes with a little pin. We can pop that out if we're not using a higher end video camcorder, which has a pin placement for that. If we're using any of these camera systems, we'll take that pin out. We'll take the top off, and we have an industry standard 1/4-20 camera mount. We'll take that, and in this case I'm going to go ahead and mount it to a DSLR. And on the underside of the quick release plate, there's a little lens and arrow inside of here, and that means that I'm just going to line that up with my camera's lens. Attach this, and we've got that locked into place. And now we're going to go ahead and going to release this head a little bit so you can see this. Lock it down, and then we're just going to go ahead and press and push until it locks into place here, and then we can release the friction wheel and we can move the camera around freely. Lock it into place, and now it's locked down. A couple of other very, very cool features of this head. If you look over here on the side, we have 2 modes. Okay, I'm going to release that here. In the camera mode, we can move this camera freely in any direction. We can pan, tilt, and do whatever we want. When I move it over here and I lock it into the video camera mode, that would be better for cameras like this, or like this, or for a camera that has the capabilities of shooting high definition video like this compact point and shoot. And it will constrain it from moving on one of the axes, and then I can dial in a little bit of tension here, and I can use that for my movie mode. So very, very cool. And that is the compact photo movie kit from Manfrotto.